Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I am going to teach you step by step how to make $100 a day, $500 a day, $700 a day, and even $1,000 a day promoting high ticket affiliate products using 100% free traffic. And if you are persistent and consistent with this method and training, you can make up to $3,000 on a daily basis. Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time on my YouTube channel, then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell so you get my powerful training videos straight to your inbox. If you have any questions, leave a comment for me, give me a thumbs up, it will be appreciated, and don't forget to share this video with the people you care. Now, before I dive into this video, you could see a screenshot where I generated over $116,000 in commissions using this one program, one system that's taking the internet by storm, and 90% of it is all done for you. Now, if you want to learn how I made this money and how I am making this type of money, then the links are going to be in my description box below this video. When you go down, scroll down, you will see a button that says show more. Click on show more. It will open up my description and you will able to find all the links, and in there you're going to find a link like this. Okay, what you're seeing here, I just highlighted it in blue. You're going to see a link like this. Just click on that link and you will able to get this training where you're going to be learning about this secret program that's generated me over $116,000 in commissions from the comfort of my home using a simple laptop, a cheap laptop and internet connection. And you will have an opportunity to make this type of money as well. All right, all the links in the description box below this video. For any reason, if you can't find the links in the description box below this video, then you could head over, you could open up a new browser and just go to this website address here. All right, type this website address that you can see that I have highlighted in blue, and then you will able to watch this training that's created by my mentor. That's right, this is my mentor who I met a couple of years ago, and since then I have never ever looked back again, because since then everything has changed for me. So this one system, one program has generated me $116,000 in commissions, and you can watch this training and learn how this system works. And it's not just me. There are other members making multiple 5 figures and 6 figures as well. Here's another screenshot from one of the member that generated $10,428.70 in commissions in just 13 days in this month, okay, May 2024. In 13 days, this member generated $10,428 in commissions. So you can become, you can watch the training, learn what this is all about. It's a secret method that's taking the internet by storm and changing people's lives. So if you want to learn how I made this type of money, click the link in the description box below this video and check it out. So let's dive into this video. How can you make $1,000 a day every single day promoting high ticket offers? In fact, where can I find these high ticket offers? Very simple. First, head over to a network called Clickbank. Go to this network, register your free account. Now, I know a lot of people are not accepted. Then if that's the case, then you need to go to another network called Digistore24. Okay, you could find high ticket products there as well. When you come to your Clickbank account, you want to go to the Clickbank marketplace and you want to select average conversions high to low, and this is going to spill out all the high ticket products from top to bottom. So you could see the first product that I could see here is called Commission Blueprint. Okay, it's going to pay you $1,227.29 in commissions for generating a single sale. All right, this one sale will make you $1,227.29 in commissions. Okay, if I scroll down, you could see the gravity is low. Obviously it's a high ticket product, so the gravity is low. Not this, we're not talking about this gravity. Okay, we're talking about the gravity here is 0.77. The gravity is very, very low. But if you scroll down, you can see another product, and you probably know this person, John Crestani, his auto webinar funnel, where you can generate $775.57 in commissions for one sale. If I scroll down, you can see another product, e-formula, then another product, perpetual income, gonna pay you $440. Now, to make $1,000 a day, you just need two sales. Okay, so just say if you are promoting perpetual income 365, you just need 2.2 sales, okay, to generate $1,000 a day every single day with Clickbank. Do you think you can do that? Now replace your 9 to 5 job working with the internet marketing business. What I'm trying to say is the amount of effort and work you're putting in a 9 to 5 job, put that time and effort in working online, and I am sure you could make multiple six figures a year. All right, so this is high ticket products coming from Clickbank. Okay, and you can generate, and in my opinion it's better to promote a high ticket product than a low ticket product, because with a low ticket product it is quite hard to get to $1,000 a day every single day. But with a low ticket product you could make multiple 5 and 6 figures a month with very, very less sales and the same amount of effort. Okay, so I just showed you all these high ticket products. How do you get your high ticket products on Clickbank? You just want to go to Clickbank, go to Marketplace and select average conversions high to low, and it's going to spill out all the high ticket products. And you want to check these products out. What is the formula of making these high ticket commissions? Basically, these people have a webinar that trains everything and give them a massive value to the customers. Okay, so people watch the webinar, and then after that they say, okay, this is looking quite good, and they decide to join the program. Okay, and that's how you make a high ticket commission. Now, I did speak about free traffic. All right, so I'm going to show you the free traffic source. Now if you're getting a lot of value from this video so far, please give me a thumbs up, hit the like button, share this video with the people you care, and if you have questions, just leave a comment for me. And don't forget, if you want a shortcut path to making multiple $10,000 to $100,000, then make sure you click the link in the description box below this video to see this one secret powerful system that's taking the internet by storm and has generated me over $116,000 in commissions. And also other members are making money. This one member has made over $10,000 in commission this month in May 2024 so far in just 13 days. So this is real. This is not some fake or some waste of time. This is real and is 90% done for you. Okay, so free traffic. Okay, so how do you get free traffic? It's very simple. You probably use Facebook, you probably have social media accounts, so I'm going to show you a powerful way to generate free traffic. Check this out. Okay, you want to come to Facebook, okay, and then you want to go to here and you want to type in affiliate marketing. So if I go here first, okay, let me just type in affiliate marketing. All right, and when you type in affiliate marketing, you're going to see all these groups. Okay, you want to join all these groups. Okay, you can see it's 37,000 members, 54,000 members, 39,000 members, 34,000 members, 7.1 thousand members. Okay, so you can see all these groups. Okay, I have already joined some of these groups. Okay, so I'm going to show you one of the group. Okay, so let me just go back. Okay, all right, so this group has 129,000 members. Okay, so let me show you the power of this. Now if you're persistent, like I said, this is free traffic. For free traffic you have to be consistently doing this. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to show you some of the things that people are doing. Check this out. Someone just posted this, okay, on February 9th. I will promote your affiliate link to 20,000 organic traffic and boost massive sales. Okay, 37 comments. Let's scroll down. Check this out. I have an affiliate marketing system that's 99% done for you and it's free to join. Who wants it? Just leave a comment. 136 people replied. All right. If I scroll down, okay, I need 95 active members for a new project. Okay, free affiliate marketing training to make you top earner. Let me know if you want in. All right, and look at it, 34 comments. So you could post something like this as well. Okay, you could post something like similar to something like this. Hey, who's interested in learning how to make $1,000 to $3,000 on a daily basis without having to build any kind of website? Let me know if you want it, and you're going to get these comments, and when you get these comments, okay, you're going to reply to these comments. Okay, and what's the reply going to be? The first reply you're going to send is, thanks, I have sent an email with all the details, please check. And then you're going to go to their profile and send them a direct message. Okay, a direct message straight to their Facebook inbox, and the inbox is going to be something like, hi, here's the link I promised, and you're going to put your link inside. It could be your website address, it could be your affiliate link, and you're going to shorten that affiliate link. If it's a Clickbank product, make sure you shorten the affiliate link, because when you come here, you could see. So let me just show you what happens here. Okay, just zoom in a bit. All right, so you can see everything. So I'm going to create this hop link. Okay, and if I scroll down, okay, what just happened there? Let me just go back. Okay, let me just go here and let me scroll down. Look at this. Clickbank is giving me this long link. If you paste this link into Facebook, it's going to get blocked. All right. So what you want to do is you want to shorten the URL. You could use so many URL shorteners. You could use tiny URL. All right. You could use bit.ly. All right. You could use these two URL shorteners. You could use tiny URL as well. Okay, you could use bit.ly as well. So make sure you shorten the URL, because if you don't, you're going to get blocked. All right. So once you have sent him a reply to this, which is going to be, thanks, I have sent an email with all the detail, please check. Then you're going to send them a direct message. Hi, here's the link I promise. Insert your link, which is going to be your affiliate link. And then you're going to say something like, this free training is going to teach you everything you need to start generating your first $500 online, and then your first $1,000. And then if you are consistent and follow the training, you could be making as much as some of these top students are making, anything from $1,000 to $3,000 and even $5,000 a day. Enjoy. Or you could, instead of enjoy, you could write something like, if you have any questions, just let me know, thanks, or something like that, or whatever you want to write. Okay, so you want to send this email to all the people that commented. Okay, they're going to be people commenting, and you're going to get more and more uh recommendations, and people are going to be interested, and this is going to be very targeted traffic, because people are interested in learning what this is all about, how you can make money. And guess what? You're going to make a lot of sales using free traffic. Now, like I said, if you're consistently doing this, you could easily make $10,000 a month with this. Okay, this is free traffic. And like I said, if you want to replace your 9 to 5 job, the amount of effort you're making putting in your 9 to 5 job, if you just put that time and effort into doing this, you could be making multiple 5 figures. It's very simple and very easy. Okay, so this is how you can promote high ticket affiliate products with unlimited free traffic. Now, if you want to shortcut all of this and make multiple 5 and 6 figures online, check out the link in the description box below this video. If you can't find the link, then just head over to this website address that I have highlighted. Go to this website address and you will able to get all the details about this one specific system that's taking the internet by storm and have generated me over $116,000 in commissions. If you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell.